Hey!
On June 13, 2025, a 911 call reported an erratic driver heading south on I-5. The driver pulled onto the shoulder where a trooper found him unconscious. Suspecting an overdose, the trooper and sergeant began administering Narcan.
I've already given him 2.
Okay, let's keep going.
All right.
Try different nostrils too.
I did 1 in each. Come on, breathe, dude. All right, it'll be 2 in both nostrils.
Okay.
Hey!
Wake up.
I feel a little tension.
Wake up.
There we go. Come on.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Hey, bud.
Wake up. Wake up. Come on.
Should we bring him out front?
Yeah.
Bring him out here?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I got it.
All right, so traffic.
Here, let's go to the back of the car. Back of the car. Okay. Right here.
Okay.
Wake up, bud. Wake up. You're gonna be okay. Come on.
Keep his head up right a little bit.
Here.
Hey, well, this is like
I got a pulse. I got a heartbeat. It's beating fast. I got a blanket in the back of my car.
Okay.
Let me go get that. Hold his head.
I got it. He's getting there.
Yeah, he's getting there.
Just the.
You wanna lift him up a little bit?
I'm kicking in.
Not yet.
Hey!
Wake up. You doing okay? AIDS on scene. We've deployed 4 Narcans. The subject's starting to come alert again. Whew. Well, he's lucky that this trooper found him.
Listen, man, you were almost gone. It took 4 doses of Narcan to bring you back, man. That's not good. If you would have been here too long, you probably could have suffocated yourself.
As far as vital signs go, he's solid. If you guys are comfortable taking it, we'll let that route go.
Okay.
Cool.
So right now, you're under arrest for a DUI. We got to go get a blood draw. Okay? And I'll explain everything else from there. 10-9-2 Olympia. I'll be en route to Capitol Medical Center, and I'll call you when I get there for a warrant. How you feeling?
Aide arrived on scene and evaluated the driver, who was alert and did not require hospital transport. He was subsequently arrested for DUI, and a blood search warrant was granted before he was transported and released to his residence.
That's all your stuff? Yeah, just make it to court, man. Make it to treatment. I'm rooting for you, dude. I'll be paying attention. You can bounce back.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you for saving me.
Yep.
If you are interested in a career with the Washington State Patrol, check out our link below.